Let's spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review, son. Trust you guys okay. Now, man, you know the Zimbabwean story, man, just never gets old, son. I mean, Zimbabwe, when you're dealing with Zimbabwe, you always have to expect the unexpected, son. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know why we still get surprises from the Zimbabwean government, son. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you're dealing with a clown, I mean, you might as well expect a few surprises along the way. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I'm telling you, man, the Zimbabwean story is a sad story. It's an unpredictable story. Surely, man, we're going nowhere fast. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, today, man, okay, what recently has been happening, let me just put some of you down on game. I mean, yeah, if you're not sure of what has been happening, you know what I'm saying? The president-elect, President Mnangagwa, elect in quotes, okay, in quotes. Let me just put that out there. He has recently selected his cabinet of ministers. And Lord and behold, on that list, he's got his son in there. He's got his nephew in there. I mean, what are we doing here? Is it a family business? Is it a family barbecue? What are we doing? Is it a country? What are we doing, y'all? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, he has put his son, David Kudakwashe Mnangagwa, as the deputy finance minister, son. Yeah. And he has put his nephew, Tongai Mnangagwa, as deputy tourism minister. Yep. So, man, I got a question, President, sir. I got a question, President-elect, sir. How you go put your family in pivotal financial positions, son? You know what I'm saying? I mean, positions where a lot of money in the country is passing through. You know what I'm saying? I mean, can a brother get some answers? Or why couldn't you put them somewhere like education? Or somewhere like, I don't know, somewhere where there isn't so much money going through, son. I mean, it's highly suspect, Mr. President. But anyway, today we got Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa weighing in on the situation, son. I mean, we kind of thought they were they were homies, you know what I'm saying? We kind of thought they got along, you know what I'm saying? They were chomies, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean, don't come after me, man. I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying what everybody else been thinking. But apparently, it seems like the prophet is going against the acts of the leadership. Prophet Makandiwa seems to be going against the selection of ministers and all kinds of funny business that be happening in the government and various leadership circles. You know what I'm saying? So apparently, it seems to be condemning the president and ZANU-PF and everybody else that comes with it. Lord and behold, it never gets better. You know what I'm saying? Let us hear what the prophet has to say. If you feel some type of a way, put it in the comment section, son. I'm your boy Bliss, and I'm out.
So what you need to do now is stop fighting with people. Stop fighting with people. Stop wondering about, stop thinking about other people. You're wasting your time. Who becomes what? Who is going to be minister of what? The truth is, it's never going to be you. Think about you. What face are you going to put on? So that no matter who, we make politics the main subject. When are you going to start following those parliamentary proceedings? Sit down and watch those men. Listen to them. Then you will know. Let's have another alternative. Go by the Spirit. It's chaos. Yet they are calling themselves honorable this. Honorable, withdraw, honorable. I will not withdraw. And the citizens are suffering. That is where you'd expect to have order. They keep calling for it. Order. You put your trust there. Your matter is never going to matter to them, but your life matters to you.